All right, here we are. I've made a YouTube video about this before, and I just wanted to address it one more time in a higher quality setting. So right now we're working on a lawnmower that has an upside down lawnmower blade on it. And what happens is when you put your lawnmower blade on upside down, the cutting edge, which is here, is no longer cutting grass. Your blade is then upside down and backwards. The way you can tell it's upside down is because it, one, broke the blade adapter right here, and probably screwed up the blade, and two, I guess that would be three, the ears, which are the part of the blade that's supposed to flick grass up into the bag, are facing down, which also decreases your ground clearance, which causes these blades to be more likely to hit the ground. See how this is now lower than it normally would be? And the edge, which is supposed to be facing down, is now facing the wrong way and no longer cutting. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this blade adapter off, this blade off, and show you the way this should go on. All right, here I am under my lawnmower. I first removed my spark plug wire. That way, if I start moving this blade, it doesn't start the engine and cut my fingers off. So, like I said, it's upside down. We got lucky, and it didn't destroy the blade adapter. So I'm gonna flip this over. You can now see that the ears on the right and left side are now no longer the leading edge. Basically, I got myself a brand new lawnmower blade now, which is pretty sweet. For some crazy reason, the blade adapter isn't shot, so that's kind of cool. I think if you were to grind this down, it even says grass side and deck side on these blades. So once again, don't make this mistake. You want your ears facing up. That's that part right there. The slant should slant upward, and you don't want that cutting your grass for you. That's not sharp, that's sharp. So good luck.